This is the book of Mark, chapter 13, verse 8. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be earthquakes in diverse places, and there shall be famines and troubles. These are the beginning of sorrows. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Makarkadash. Double honors to the elders for preaching His word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered to the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And I say shalom. And this is a recent news article as of March 9th, 2023 by Reuters, and it reads, Russia fires 81 missiles and 8 drones and morning strikes, Ukraine says. As the Russian-Ukraine tensions continues to heat up in that region, it says Russia fired 81 missiles, including 6 hypersonic missiles and 8 drones at Ukraine in early morning strike on Thursday. The Ukrainian Air Force says Ukraine destroyed 34 cruise missiles and 4 shed suicide drones, and 8 drones and guided missiles were also prevented from reaching their targets, it says in a statement. The Ukraine military cannot intercept the missiles. So with that, this was just a quick news article that I wanted to bring out. This was recently, and that's why I brought out the Mark 13:8. So definitely the wars and rumors of wars are heating up, and the nation should rise against nation, and that's what we're starting to see increasingly. With these two different nations going at against one another, they're going extremely head to head against one another, as hostilities, tensions are increasing at an all-time high over there in the Russia-Ukraine situation over there in Ukraine, as tensions increasingly stirring up more and more and more. So with that, hopefully this news article was edifying of the reading and the scripture that I brought out as well too in reference to this news article. So with that, once again, I hope that this was edifying. I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Makarkadash. Double honors to the elders for preaching His word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered to the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And until next time, I will say shalom.